Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial we are going to learn about how to write a Java program to get element in an array list. So we have got this list where we have added the name of the days as a string, and what we are going to do is we are going to fetch element based on the index. So suppose you want to check what is the element or what is the object present at a particular index. So how you are going to do that? We can do that in a list by using get method. That means we can invoke get method on this list, the list that we have created, and get the element that is present at that index. For now, let's print this list. Let's see what are the elements that are present in the list. So we will run it for once. So these are the elements which are present in a list, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Saturday, and Sunday is at index 0, Monday is at 1, and so on. So the list index starts from 0, and at 0 we have Sunday. Now if you want to get element at any index, for example get element at index 0, so what we will do, we will invoke this get method on the list, that is, see, you have get method and you can provide index which is an integer. That means you can provide 1, 2, 3 or whatever you want. Currently we want to see the element at this position, that is list day get 0, that means at index 0. So let's print this, otherwise we will not be able to know what we have got in this list. So we are going to print this, right? So let's have a message over here as well, day is, and then it will print the day. So now if we try to see what is the element at index 0, see, it is Sunday. At index 0 we have got Sunday, so that is printed over here. Similarly, if we want to print what is element or object present at index 4, so by naked eyes you can see that at index 4 we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is Thursday is present at index 4. Now if you print that, you will see Thursday would be printed as day. Okay, so we have not changed this index, that is why it is still printing at index 0. So you need to change this index. Now change this index to 4 and see, you will be getting the value that is Thursday, and this is what we expected, right? Earlier we missed to remove 0 by 4, and that is why we got Sunday. Now what this list.get4 is returning, do you know? This list.get4 is returning a string value. For example, let's take this in a variable. Now we are fetching the value that is present at particular index, and that value is getting assigned in this day variable which is of type string, right? And that day will be printed over here. So this is an alternate way of doing what we have already shown you earlier. So this will also work exactly the same, but here I have just increased one line of code to show you that this list.get4 is actually returning you the string value, because this list contains string values only, and all the things that are added in the list is of type string. That is why whichever index you apply over here, all the elements that is going to get returned is of type string. For example, if you try to give 5 at this place at index, so what is going to get printed at 5? Just make a guess, quick guess. I am going to run this and we will have Friday. Why? Because at 0 Sunday is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at 5 index Friday is present, and that is why day is Friday is getting printed on the console. So this is how you can fetch any element that is present at any index. You can also iterate over this list and then try to match whether this day is present in the list or not, and based on that you can also make some logical calculations. Hope you have understood how you can get element using this get method and can write the program which requires you to get element from the list. So this is all we have for the get method on the array list. So hope you have understood and liked the video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.